Okay, London session done. London session did all my watch list, uh, flagged all the signal days in London, put them all in a chart, but nothing really moved, nothing triggered. Yep, so did not trade Forex, just focused on the indices, DE30, UK100, gold, and oil. Oil's not really doing anything interesting to me. It's in a small range, so I did not look at oil. Gold, I liked where we were at this level. But yesterday we did fake out the low. Today the H8 breakout level is right here. So it's bullish. Don't really want to go against that. We've also created an inside bar prior to my session. I trade 2 p.m. Jakarta time, which is London Open. Inside bar creates a range on the previous bar. So I wasn't really interested to do anything until it got out of that. And the daily as well. I think we're in a giant inside bar as well. So there was an inside bar here, which creates a range, extend the previous bar's highs and lows, and just need to be careful when we're inside this. Um, I don't mind trading it in London. In New York, but yeah, in London, I wouldn't really be so aggressive with these sort of things. Yeah, so no trade on gold, no trade on oil, just focus on DE30 and UK100. I took trades on both of them. I took the UK100 trade first. So on UK100, we have a signal day, fake out day that's going in the direction of the daily breakout level. We have the weekly breakout, monthly breakout levels all going in one direction. We broke out below previous week low. We've triggered previous month low, so that's something that I need to look at. We've also faked out previous year high, couldn't get under it. Yeah, so these were two things that I was paying attention to. But I did like the setup. We have a breakout, fake out of the previous H8 high, which is a breakout reversal, come back down, triggers the previous H8 low, fake out, coming back up, and then triggers the previous H8 high at the high of the day. So when that happens, it's a breakout, turns into a breakout reversal, comes down, triggers the previous low. That's a fake out retracement, comes up, triggers a previous H8 high, which is a fake out continuation. So these are 3-star setups for me. I have two 3-star setups. That's the fake out continuation and the trend retracement. So if I spot these setups, I'm definitely going to take them. So prior to London Open, I already saw that it had faked out and was coming back down. I just need to wait until London opens, and I entered straight off London Open. And targeting previous day low. Once it got to the low of the day, I took some partials. This setup, I always target. My first target is the previous day low, and the second target is low of the structure. So I was targeting previous day low, but price sort of got stuck around the low of the day, started to come back up, faking out this H4 low level. So then I ended up just taking partials there, and I will extend my TP. We'll just hold it as long as it'll go, and I'll trail my runners. So my runners are at break even right now. Took some partials already, and we will see where it goes. Took partials about 2.5 R. And so that was one trade. Second trade was on DE30. Exact same setup. We have yesterday have a fake out day, signal day for me, going with the daily breakout level. Here's the last bearish breakout level. We're going in that direction. So we have a breakout low, and we're faking out the previous high. When that happens, we got a breakout low, faking out previous high. So the daily is now in a breakout continuation cycle. It's still building its swing point. Monthly, weekly, all that, everything bearish basically. So I was looking for high of day sells, exact same setup as UK100, and same exact movement where we have a breakout of the previous high. So that's a breakout, fakes out the previous H8 high, breakout reversal over here, comes back down, fakes out the previous low. That's a fake out retracement, and then comes back up, fakes out the previous high, and that becomes a fake out continuation. So again, I was trading a fake out continuation setup. We have the H8 breakout levels right here. So everything was bearish. H8 was bearish. That's a great sign for me. Um, again, 2 p.m. is London Open. So I was busy with UK100 that first trade, and then after that, I got into uh, DE30. So I entered on the break of when I entered back under the H8 levels. So UK100, I took it on the M15, and then D30, I took it on the M1. So this one, it's the stop is too high. So on these ones, I went a bit more aggressive, targeting again previous day low. And since I wasn't able to put my stops at the high, I was much quicker to go into to break even. Once price started to move up, got a bit spooked, and I went break even, and I ended up getting taken out over here. Yeah, so I did not take any partials on this. I didn't see any reason to. There was no levels for me to take partials. I was looking to take partials at the low of the day. Um, yeah, and then ride it to at least previous day low, and then low of the structure. So it went all the way down about 2R, and I didn't take anything from that. But that's okay. Yeah, so those are the two trades I took, uh, and that's it. Took I took this one in Asia, stalled quite a bit, and then it went, and I ended up taking partials down here. When it got stuck at the H8 levels, now it's on its way back up, and I would think that NAS is probably going to set up in the same way in New York. Yeah, not going to be the same setup because it's not a fake out. It'll be something else, but we'll see in New York. So that was it. Took two trades. D30 break even. UK100 took like 2.5 hours or something like that, and that was it.